The new chat experience is an upgrade for NotebookLM. You can generate a lot more output formats, including PDFs, Word documents, markdown files, text files to generate reports, custom summaries, or make notes. You can create data visualizations where it'll generate PNG files and SVG files for charts to identify trends, create images and visuals with Nano Banana in PNG, JPG, and GIF formats, structure data with CSV and JSON files, and then Excel workbooks and PowerPoint presentations. Now we'll try generating an image with a 1:1 aspect ratio for the main topic of these sources using phrases of 1 to 5 words. And I could work with this, not bad on the first try, make a few minor adjustments and share it. I then uploaded this image to use as a reference for the color palette, so I prompted NotebookLM to use that as a image source, and this is what it provided. I like this one as well. In the middle panel, I asked it to create a playbook out of the sources I selected, and this is what it returned. But if we scroll down to the end, it asked me if I wanted to create a tailored report using the report tool to generate a document. And that's what it did with this in the right panel. For the studio panel, I wanted to create a PDF and a PowerPoint for the playbook. So it's started creating the slide deck. The playbook as a report is very good. It has section headers, bullet points, formulas, tables, easy to read. The slide deck, the PowerPoint on the other hand, has a very heavy engineering and technical influence. You can take a look at these diagrams. It looks very technical, and this is without any detailed design guidance or detailed prompt in the chat interface. Your best bet is to use the slide deck tool in the studio panel, and this is what it came up with. It's more eye-pleasing and well-designed for non-technical audiences. I imagine they'll fix the default prompt to generate PowerPoints and slide decks so that it doesn't look as scary and as technical for non-technical audiences. If you go to click on the 3 dots, you can download it as a PDF or a PowerPoint. I've uploaded this customer data over 2,000 rows in this CSV and prompted NotebookLM to find me customer insights from this data. And this highlights one of the newer capabilities of NotebookLM to write code and analyze the data set. So it performs analysis on the data set, and here we can see some additional information, some insights that it's pulled regarding demographics and their spending categories. And you might have seen in the studio panel that it was working on an infographic. So let's open this up to see what it's given us. And it gives us this insight that we could use for a presentation or something that we could send to team members and stakeholders as an update on the performance. And this looks much better than the engineering style influenced slide decks that are generated from the chat panel. Remember, this was automatically generated when I prompted NotebookLM merely to compare the demographics and their spending categories. This notebook has research on AI-powered productivity suites as well as building content systems to scale content production. But what I'm going to do is deselect all the sources in the left panel here, and I want to find more about AI capabilities for CRMs for small and medium-sized businesses. It asked me if I wanted to run a fast research to search the web. So that's exactly what I'm doing, as you can see in the left panel here. And now that it's completed, we can view the topics, we can view the information that is gathered. Click to open up a new tab for websites that it's found. This is a PDF, looks like a research paper, but we'll click on this first link for an article that lists several solutions in this body of text. If you found this useful, like the video and leave a comment. If you want more content on AI, workflow automation, and analytics, subscribe to the channel.